How to unfollow everyone on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we'll guide you through on how we can unfollow everyone on TikTok. So let's go on with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon and turn on the notification bells to get updated about our latest videos. So in order to go on with the process on unfollowing everyone all at once on TikTok, you just need to head over to your profile at the bottom right of your TikTok and you'll be getting to your profile page here. So here you can see I have followed this much people on my screen right now. So if I want to unfollow each and every one, we just need to click on the following section, but unfortunately, we don't have that option available here right now where we can unfollow each and every following at once. So instead of that, what you can do is simply manually select each people, tap on this following section and unfollow that people. That's the only way we have right now in TikTok to unfollow someone, and that's the only way you can follow for now. But so therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.